about to put you onto game and tell you how you can make a passive income so easy. I'm talking possibly thousands of dollars a month by doing something so simple that a lot of people are already doing. What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Nikki, back at you with another video to tell you all how to make some money. And a lot of you already know that being a YouTube creator is my full-time gig. And I'm going to give you a second to think about what is my primary source of income?
YouTube ad revenue.
Wrong! It is not YouTube ad revenue. It is affiliate marketing. Yep. So affiliate marketing is an easy way to make some money in your sleep, and I'm going to tell you all about it in this video. So sit back, relax, and make sure you take some notes, all right? So let's get into it. So jumping right into this video, the first thing I need to let you know is what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a way of getting people to buy products without you having to do any customer service or anything. So for example, it's when I'm doing a video and I tell you all, use my links below. I have an affiliate link below. If you use that link, I can get a percentage of that sale, or it could be for something that's free. So a lot of you, if you're familiar with my channel, you would know that I talk a lot about apps, and the apps that I talk about are usually free, but I'm affiliated with some of the companies so that if I refer people over to their platform, I can get some money for referring people over there. Now, that's not to say that just because I'm getting a kickback from it, that means that I don't use it or that I don't believe in it. I'm just trying to sell you something. No, affiliate marketing is not to be taken lightly, because what that does is with you referring people, that falls on you. So if that product sucks, then guess what you're going to look like. So to help you out, I'm going to give you some tips and tricks that I use so that I can sell more, as well as how to get my links out there, even with a small audience. So the first thing that you have to do when you are going into affiliate marketing is to get some kind of platform where your affiliate links will live. So if you're into blogging, or if you want to get into blogging, this is an incredibly great idea for you, because if I had to guess, I would say the majority of bloggers' income is affiliate marketing. I have a blog, it's dealfindingdiva.com, and the majority of my income from my blog is from affiliate marketing. So this is a strategy that a lot of bloggers use, but also you don't have to be a blogger in order to get into affiliate marketing. Like I said, it's important to have a platform, but it doesn't have to be your own website. So if you have a social media account, such as an Instagram account, TikTok, Facebook, affiliate links can live on those platforms. Once you have a platform, make sure you start building an audience, because it's not really going to help you if you don't have any kind of an audience, but you can start with your own personal platforms. So if you want your friends and family to sign up for some companies that I'm going to tell you about in this video, so make sure you stay tuned. I'm going to go over some websites that you can use to get the affiliate links, all right? But once you get your links, you're going to have to put them on that platform, and people have to see it. So you don't want to have to go and pay for ads to bring people over to your platform. That's whack. We're not doing that. What you're going to do is, even if you have to, start with your friends and family, put it on your personal platforms. If there are apps that you use, make sure you put those links out there. And before I show you these websites that I'm about to talk about, another thing that you should remember is a lot of companies, even if you don't sign up as an affiliate, you can still use referral links. So what referral links are is they are very similar to affiliate links, but referral links, you don't have to sign up as somebody working under this company. Now, you're not working under the company, but you don't have to sign up as like an influencer on a particular business's platform in order to be a referrer. So all you're doing when you're putting out referral links is just giving people links. So to give you an idea, I'm not affiliated with Fetch Rewards. Fetch Rewards is an app that I recommend to a lot of people because I use it. So right there in the Fetch Rewards app, if you're not familiar with Fetch Rewards, I'm just going to say, just go to my free gift cards playlist. I talk about it in almost every free gift cards video, but you can scan receipts and earn free gift cards. All right, besides the point. Now, I'm not affiliated with Fetch Rewards, but I have referral links that I can get from that app, and then I can refer people over there. So I, in exchange, am not getting cash per se, but I'm getting points that I can redeem for free gift cards, including Visa gift cards. So that's a nice way for me to earn money that way as well. So don't forget about referral links. If there are apps that you like to use or certain websites that you like to use, a lot of times, if you go in there, they might have a referral link. So you will have your own special code. And when people click on that, then you will get credit for sending those people over there. Now that I explained to you what affiliate marketing is, let's jump into my computer and I'm going to show you some platforms that I use for affiliate marketing. All right, let's jump right in. And the first site that I want to show you is quite obvious when it comes to affiliate marketing, and it is the Amazon Influencers program. Because with Amazon Influencers, they give you links so that when people shop on Amazon, you will get a kickback, some extra money for that. So I personally have my own Amazon page, and I am an Amazon influencer. I submitted using my blog, so I already had my website. But here's the thing. It was not easy. Just because I had a blog didn't mean that I automatically qualified. It took me, I think, 3 tries, 2 or 3. Yeah, I think on my 3rd try was when I finally got into the program. Like, you have to have people actually buy using your links. And I think you had to get like 2 purchasers in 6 months. It was like something small like that, where I think it was like 2 people had to buy using my links, but I could not get that in 6 months. Right here is the page that you would go to in order to sign up as an Amazon influencer, and you can monetize your content. So I'm going to show you what my page looks like once you sign up. So this is my Amazon influencer page, and I'm signed out at this moment because when I sign in, it gives you all my information. I'm not trying to put all that out there or have to censor it all, but you can actually not just sell stuff on your storefront. So basically all you're doing is linking Amazon products that you find or that you use. Me personally, I like to use the products that I'm listing on here for the most part, unless it's like a gift guide, then, you know, I'll list like a bunch of ideas that I would have depending on what type of person you're searching for. But this is my page, and it's kind of like social media posts up here. And this is my banner and everything. So you can add all of that once you have access to the background of it. I have some videos here, and you can upload those videos, and they're normally like really short videos that you can upload. And then here are my gift guides. And then down here, all of my live streams are here. So a lot of people don't know this, but on Amazon, you can go live. So once you become an influencer, if you go live, anything that sells, you get a percentage of that. Okay. So it's just like anything else on here. So all of this stuff that I have listed, if anybody buys any of it, then I get a percentage. But also not just these particular items. If you put out there that you want people to buy, let's say, okay, this frother, this milk frother. If somebody clicks on this, buys it, and then tomorrow they come back and they decide that they want to buy a laptop, I get a percentage for that laptop as long as they didn't use someone else's affiliate link or like go through using another influencer's page or link or anything. Then for, I believe it's 24 hours, for 24 hours after that link is clicked, anything that they go in there and buy, you get a percentage for. Now, Amazon influencer, I'm not going to go too much further into this. I know it's a lot, but if you want me to go into more details, make sure you just comment down below so I know that you want more information about this stuff. But one thing that you have to keep in mind with Amazon is that Amazon is probably the number one seller at this point. Basically, you'll have a higher chance of selling stuff on Amazon than you would pretty much any other affiliate link. But to keep it real with y'all, Amazon's percentages are quite low when you compare them to other affiliate programs. That's because they know they have it on lock. But enough about Amazon. If you want to sign up for an influencer account, that page is going to be linked below so that you can sign up and make sure you follow me, my Amazon influencer page. Okay. Now, the other one that I want to show you is Syvan Social. So Syvan Social, oh my gosh, I really love this one because this was actually the first affiliate program that I ever signed up with. All right. So Syvan Social, I was able to get in there when my blog was very, very small. I barely had any page views and they still accepted me. You can go in once you want to apply. This is the page right here. It's right on SyvanSocial.com. You can click on influencers or you can click apply up here in the upper right hand corner. I'm going to click influencers and then they will describe to you what the program entails and all that good stuff. Now, once you do sign up with them, they're going to ask about your platforms. This is the apply page. So as you can see in here, this is the information that you're going to have to give. And they're going to ask for your website, any kind of social media you have, that kind of stuff. So they want to know that you have an audience and that your audience is engaged. But like I said, I got in with barely any page views on my website. So, I mean, I don't know if the criteria has changed, if they got any stricter, but I'm telling you, Syvan Social was the easiest to get into. Plus, with Syvan Social, they have campaigns. So I'm going to take you into my account so you can see what I'm talking about. So this is inside my Syvan Social account. Now they have campaign opportunities. So they have giveaways so that if you put those links out there, then you will get a kickback from those links themselves. But they also have a bunch of merchants. So that would include a bunch of companies. Let's click on it and see. So I just clicked on M just to give you an idea. So these are the companies that they deal with. So Macy's is one that a lot of people use, and you would get 2.5% of the sale of whatever somebody buys using your link. So to go to the homepage, I can literally just copy this link and send my users over to the Macy's homepage. Or you can do what they call deep links, and deep links will take you to a specific page. So this is where deep links are. And then from here, you can choose the merchant, and then you can click Adidas, for example, and then I would go on the Adidas website and put that link in there. Say, for example, if there were shorts on sale that I wanted to send people over to, then I would put that URL in there from Adidas. So I'm just going to show you real quick. So to give you an idea of what I mean with deep links is, for example, if I wanted people to know about this track jacket. It's a hot seller, and I want to tell people, okay, listen, head on over to Adidas and check out this track jacket. It's real popular. Or I can put it in a gift guide. For example, I could suggest this as something to buy men for the holidays. So whether I'm going to put it in my blog or on social media, I would highlight this link. I'm going to copy it, and then I'm just going to paste it. And they also have a bookmark tool where I can click the deep link right here and boom. So now I can just click short link and shorten that link. And this is the link that I can put on social media or on my blog and have people buy this tracksuit. Or if you don't want to have this bookmark tool, you can just copy that link and put it over on the Syvan Social page, and then they will turn it into a link for you. So whatever you prefer to do. But that's how affiliate links work. But one more thing about Syvan Social is the campaign opportunities. So campaign opportunities on Syvan Social are awesome. I have done campaigns with less than 5,000 page views a month on my blog. Okay. Easily. I think I had less than 1,000 page views a month on my blog when I did my first campaign with Syvan Social. But what campaigns are is like companies. For example, I just did one with Old Navy. Old Navy was looking for some bloggers. They had a specific sale. They wanted us to let people know about it. So I signed up for the campaign, and I'm not going to say how much they paid me, but it was a nice little extra money. So it's a nice way to get a nice little extra money in there, and you can, make even more money with Siphon Social when you sign up for campaign opportunities. So that's Siphon Social. They're linked below. This next website is called Vipon, and this one is really good if you want to get into the niche of sharing deals. So you can actually go in and find promo codes and coupon codes and use them yourself. So I'm telling you all about this for affiliate marketing, but you can actually use this for yourself as well. So they have coupon codes that are listed on Amazon and Walmart, stuff like that. So as you can see, they have featured deals. Now this one will work a little differently because you won't get an affiliate link per se, but what you can do is you can share the deals. So they go on the number of deals that you share in a day and other things that you can possibly do. But just so you can see what the page looks like, as you can see, there's a lot of deals here, right? So if you want to earn points that can be converted into cash, so if you want to know how it works, they actually break it down really easily right here in the points. So once you go into the points, you'll see the rules right here. You can click on rules and they break everything down for you. So they have a point-based reward program. And then if you register, that's 50 points right there. But you get points for doing certain things. But see number 5, post deals plus 5 points for each deal, up to 15 points a day and up to 90 points per month. Okay. So also you would get points if you refer others. Okay. So yeah, once you earn 100 points, that's $1. And then you can withdraw once you reach $20, and you can withdraw it to a PayPal account. So if you want to sign up for Vipon, the link, I'm going to put it right down below so that you can sign up and you can check Vipon out yourself. But don't go anywhere just yet because there's something else I want to explain to you.
All right, y'all. With that said, I have links to everything that I mentioned down below. I get affiliate credits as well when you click those links if you sign up with any of the companies that I just told you about. And I know about these companies because I use them. I'm actually an affiliate of all of these companies. So if you have any questions or comments, make sure you drop them down below. Thank you for rocking with your girl, and drop some $ in the comments if you made it this far in the video, and I will respond. All right, y'all. So I'm ready to peace out, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.
Everyone who didn't believe it